What happens when a medieval king decides running one kingdom isn't challenging enough and goes full gotta catch 'em all with European territories? Coming this summer, meet Charlemagne, the ruler who built Europe's biggest empire while rocking a seriously epic beard. He's tall, he's ambitious, and he's about to make the Dark Ages a little brighter with a side of mandatory education. Watch as Charles the Great expands his kingdom faster than you can say Francia. See him conquer the Saxons, charm the Pope, and still find time to learn to read at age 40, because it's never too late for self-improvement. Meanwhile, his scholars are frantically trying to standardize handwriting because they're tired of squinting at medieval chicken scratch. Witness the ultimate royal multitasker as he fights battles, starts schools, and tries to convince everyone that maybe, just maybe, they should learn to read Latin. Marvel as he builds an empire so big it takes 4 months to cross, while his messengers are having breakdowns trying to deliver mail without GPS. The Pope's giving him a shiny new crown, and he's giving Europe its first standardized currency since Rome fell. But when running an empire the size of Western Europe starts getting complicated, our unstoppable ruler must figure out how to manage it all without losing his cool. Between organizing schools, standardizing laws, and making sure his counts aren't slacking off, Charlemagne's about to prove that being a workaholic is a medieval mood. Coming to theaters near you, Charlemagne, the man who made Europe great again, the first time. Warning: contains scenes of empire building, educational reforms, and a man who really needs to delegate more.